How can I convert a datetime object to milliseconds since Epoch, Unix time, in Python? I have a Python datetime object that I want to convert to Unix time, or seconds/milliseconds since the 1970 Epoch. How do I do this?
It appears to me that the simplest way to do this is in Python 3.3, added new method timestamp. Your question stated that you needed milliseconds, which you can get like this. If you use timestamp on a naive datetime object, then it assumed that it is in the local time zone. Use time zone aware datetime objects if this is not what you intend to happen. Or the help of the time module, and without date formatting. Answered with help from this URL. Documentation. Time.time, datetime.time tuple.
You can use DeLorean to travel in space and time. This URL.
This is how I do it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider